see.
My customer lock out her safe. Amsec ESL10 stopped working. I opened the safe with new ESL10 keypad.
So it's the keypad problem.
All of a sudden?
It's not the battery. All of a sudden.
And they were new.
They're brand new. Yeah, they're brand new. That's good.
Well, these aren't brand new. I just bought these, but I have the other ones. They have these here.
So the battery is good, but it doesn't. It make only. So let me see. Put back. So the C is working. Number 2, sometimes yes, sometimes not.
No.
See. Okay, I think it's the keypad. Let's hope it's the keypad and I don't need to drill it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a brand new keypad now and try. Yeah, here. And I'm gonna try to open it with the new keypad. Okay.
Great.
Okay, let's see. Can you hold that? That's the old keypad.
Okay, the battery shouldn't go bad.
No.
Okay, that's the
No,
new
you didn't
keypad.
Yeah.
No, it's not the battery. It's not the battery.
It's not the battery, no.
It's not the battery. The battery is not the issue. I think the issue is the keypad. Yeah,
That's
so
probably,
That's what my wife said
that's
too.
probably what it was all along.
okay. See, it's a brand new keypad.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put 2 new battery. Yours, mine, doesn't matter. Both of them is good. Yours was totally fine. They're brand new battery. Okay, and let's hope it's the keypad issue and not the lock inside of the safe. Okay.
I don't think so, but
Yeah, I think it's a keypad. Alright, let's put it. Let's plug it in. Alright. This is one in. This is one in. Alright. Okay, what's the code?
5, 7, 6, 1, 6, 3. So
You can throw it away. The keypad. That's the keypad
that
issue.
news for you, that's probably.
I was going to say, order me whatever I need, you know. I just
No,
can't.
it wasn't the battery. It's the keypad issue.
I said I had a feeling from day one.